Ever spend an hour Googling for the secret button combo to get into your Samsung or LG TV's service menu? You find 100 different answers, and none of them work for your specific model. It's frustrating, and it wastes valuable time. What if I told you there's a completely free tool that does all the searching for you? A database where you type in your TV's info, and in seconds, it gives you the exact verified code and remote instructions. That's exactly what I built. Title card, text overlay. The problem with service menus. Every TV technician and DIer knows the service menu is a gold mine. It's where you can calibrate the picture, run panel tests, reset our counters, or fix issues like an inverted display. But every single brand, Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, instances its own labyrinth of codes. And it gets worse. Different model years, and even different motherboard versions within the same TV line can have completely different access methods. Memorizing them is impossible. Scouring forums is a time suck. You need a better solution. On screen, live demo of experttechnician.com/tv-service-menu-finder. So I created the service menu code finder. Here's exactly how it works for you in the USA. First, go to the website. You'll see 3 simple search boxes. One for the TV brand, one for the TV model number, and one for the main board number. You only need to fill in one. Let's say you have a Samsung TV with a picture issue. In the TV brand box, type Samsung and hit Find Service, menu code, show results populating instantly. The tool returns a prioritized list. At the top, you'll see the most successful Methuda code that works for the vast majority of Samsung TVs. It clearly tells you if you need the original remote or a special service remote. It gives you the exact button sequence, like press mute, then 1, 8, 2, then power. But what if that doesn't work? Scroll down. The tool lists alternative methods in order, so you can try the next one. No more closing and opening new browser tabs. Demonstrate a second search. For example, for an LG old model. Maybe you don't know the brand, but you have the model number from the back of the TV, like OLED65C, OnePub. Put that in the TV model box. The tool will find matches and show you the specific access codes for that exact model. Or perhaps you're a technician with just a main board on your bench. Find the board number, like BN9405557A, and search with that. The tool will tell you which TV models use that board and how to access their service menu. Key benefit section. This tool eliminates the guesswork. It aggregates data from thousands of technicians and sources, verifying the most reliable codes. For every result, we provide the precise button sequence, the required remote, original, or service direct links to purchase the correct service remote if needed, links to video tutorials for a visual, step-by-step walkthrough, addressing potential user questions on screen. What if my TV isn't in the database? This is a community-powered tool. Right below the search results, you'll find a Submit New Service menu code form. If you've discovered a code that works for a new or rare model, submit it. Our team verifies every submission before adding it. You help the entire repair community, and your name gets credited in the database. What if I search and get data not found? Use the comment section on that same page. Drop your TV's model number or board number, and our team will personally research it and update the tool usually within a few hours. Call to action and value proposition. This tool is built to save you time, money, and frustration. Whether you're a professional technician in Texas, a DIY hobbyist in Florida, or just someone trying to fix their family room TV, this levels the playing field. Bookmark it. Use it on every job. I built Expert Technician to create these kinds of practical resources. This service menu finder will remain free for life because I believe in empowering technicians and smart diers with the right tools. Closing. So, next time you need to access a TV's secret menu, skip the endless searches. Go straight to the tool, get the code in seconds, and get back to the actual repair. If this tool saves you an hour of headache, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. Have you used the tool? Let us know in the comments below what you fixed. Was it a Samsung, an LG, or something else? Your feedback makes the tool better for everyone. For more time-saving tools, hip-hire guides, and technician insights, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and fixing.